India's home and lifestyle market is not just growing, it's evolving. From comfort to convenience, design to desire. Consumers today seek more than just utility. India's home market is driven by rising incomes and the demand for contemporary living. To stay relevant, brands, manufacturers, and retailers must keep pace with this dynamic shift. This is where 8GH India steps in. More than just a sourcing hub, it is a comprehensive trade show for home textiles, home decor, home furniture, houseware and gifts, where design trends are discovered, innovations are launched, knowledge is shared, and new business ideas are born. Be it brands, manufacturers, retailers, distributors, architects, interior designers, or e-commerce platforms, 8GH India is where the country's home industry connects.
So the home sector is going to rise in the years to come. So what was missing was the design element, the decor element, which is now being brought by shows like 8GH India.
For exhibitors, 8GH India gives direct access to over 43,000 serious trade buyers from 700 cities and towns across India and 32 other countries. This is where exhibitors will find targeted exposure, quality buyers, and high business conversions. Here is how 8GH India has grown over the years in terms of exhibitors and visitors. For buyers, 8GH India delivers access to leading brands, latest trends, and profitable sourcing opportunities. Today, 8GH India is trusted by exhibitors from all over India and 30 other countries for its consistent business results. Looking to make your Indian market debut, expand your distribution network, or just curious about what's trending in home design? Eager to explore new brands and ideas? This is where it begins. Since its inception in 2012, 8GH India has been leading the industry with its evolving needs, introducing new categories and innovative sources.
All the three brands that we cater to, Copa, Bianca, Nautica, and all the three brands have been able to flourish thanks to 8GH.
Bringing in well-researched design and market trends, discovering hidden treasures of Indian heritage, and creating forums for business growth.
We launch our new collections with 8GH, so it certainly is one of the most important partners for us.
At 8GH India, every key category in the home and lifestyle space is given focused representation.
See, 8GH is always a great experience. It's a great place to explore the kind of product which we get to see.
From home textiles to houseware, from home furniture to soft furnishings, from decorative accessories to handicrafts, and an entire world of gifting solutions around home.
I've been to exhibitions and shows all around the world, but finally we don't need to really travel anymore because everything is available here.
Beyond products, 8GH India is also a hub to learn, gain insights, and build communities. 8GH India interactive sessions enable you to engage with professionals, opinion leaders, and business experts. H Circle Awards encourage innovations in design and functionality of home products across categories.
The key factors, what we saw was the innovation and the design aspect, and most important was how sustainable and how functional the product is.
OmniReach Zone facilitates brands online or offline to cross over seamlessly across both worlds. Through the Sustainability Pavilion, HGH India features environment-conscious products that reflect responsible design and manufacturing. HGH India Trend Forecast helps brands, designers, manufacturers and retailers gain insight into the future of colors, designs, materials and styles. Digi Lounge offers an immersive experience of futuristic homes. And because good business thrives on ease, HGH India creates great experiences to facilitate your business. HGH India is your reliable connection to the Indian home and lifestyle market. Contemporary, futuristic, sustainable. HGH India, where business feels at home.